First of all, open CorelDraw and go to New File. Select Business Card as the document type. Color mode CMYK. Choose the unit in inches or millimeters. And the resolution is 300. Then, press OK. Now, double-click on the rectangle tool. A rectangle will automatically be created with the exact size of the business card. Fill it with a white color, then remove the outline by right-clicking on the cross icon in the color palette. Next, select the two-point line tool. Make sure Snap to Object is enabled. Snap to the top edge and start drawing the first shape. Remember, when starting each line, the cursor should change to an arrow to indicate the lines will connect together. Now, draw the second shape, starting from the corner of the first one. Next, create a third shape in the same way. If you want to edit the shapes, select them both, choose the Shape tool, select all nodes, and adjust their position. Select the Smart Fill tool, and click inside the area to create a new shape. Now we need to fill the shapes with color. Choose the Interactive Fill tool and apply a gradient. To change the gradient colors, select the first color and adjust the values as needed. Repeat the process for the second shape. If you want to copy the same gradient, select the shape, choose Copy Fill, and apply it to the new shape. Now, for the other shapes, select the Interactive Fill tool again, and apply a gradient with orange colors. Select the shape, choose Copy Fill, and apply it to the new shape. Select the Pick tool, select all objects, and remove their outlines. At this stage, the main shapes of the business card are ready. Finally, I'll show you how to edit the shapes, and then we'll add the logo and the business information to complete the design. And that's how you design a modern and professional business card in CorelDraw, from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.